What if I told you that your kitchen holds the secret to younger-looking skin? No expensive creams. No harsh chemicals. Just pure, powerful ingredients you already own. Hey friends, welcome back to Great to Know, where we explore natural wellness backed by ancient wisdom and science. Today, we're diving into the top 5 anti-aging ingredients that are hiding in plain sight, in your home. 1. Aloe vera gel. This plant is a powerhouse. Rich in antioxidants, it boosts collagen, soothes irritation, and keeps your skin plump and hydrated. Apply directly to your face every night for a natural glow. 2. Green tea. Not just for sipping. Green tea is full of catechins, antioxidants that fight fine lines and reduce puffiness. Use it as a toner or make a DIY face mist. 3. Honey. Nature's liquid gold. Honey locks in moisture, heals microdamage, and gives your skin that supple bounce. Try a honey mask twice a week and feel the difference. 4. Turmeric. This golden spice fights inflammation and fades dark spots. Mix a pinch with yogurt for a brightening face pack. Just be careful, it stains. 5. Lemon juice. Vitamin C galore. Lemon juice can lighten age spots and tighten skin. But use it diluted and always follow with sunscreen. You can create your own natural skincare routine. Morning, green tea mist plus aloe. Evening, honey mask or turmeric yogurt pack. Weekly, lemon and honey treatment, in moderation. Your skin will thank you, naturally. You don't need to spend a fortune to look and feel young. Your kitchen already holds the answers. If you love this, hit like, subscribe, and comment below, which one will you try first? Stay glowing, stay natural, only on Great to Know.